4 Best Leafy Vegetables Against Hair Loss. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. Have a problem with hair loss but hates eating vegetables? Well, you should start eating vegetables, because there are a lot of benefits you can get even for your hair loss problem. Eating vegetables brings many benefits to our health. It is proven that eating vegetables helps you to have a longer life compared to eating processed foods and fatty meats. And as said earlier, vegetables are also highly helpful to prevent hair loss. In this video, we will discuss the 4 best leafy vegetable to eat that is very effective against hair loss. First is the spinach. Spinach is one of the best healthy green vegetable that is full of edible fiber. It is a rich source of iron and zinc that is very essential to prevent hair loss. It is also loaded with nutrients such as folate, vitamins and C that also helps for hair growth. Second is asparagus. Like spinach, asparagus is also rich in vitamin A and C, at the same time rich in calcium that helps to strengthen your hair strands, preventing it from hair fall. Asparagus also has the ability to block the most common hair-killing hormone, DHT, for better and healthy hair growth. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. Third is curry leaves. Curry leaves are very rich in antioxidants that moisturizes your scalp. This is also powerful dead hair follicles remover. Curry leaves are high in beta-carotene and protein content, which are effective not just in preventing hair loss, but also against thinning of your hair. Strawberries. This fruit helps you improve your sperm quality because it is rich in vitamin C that will boost your energy in bed. Pomegranate juice. This fruit juice will help you with your libido and erectile problem because of its rich antioxidants that increases blood flow through your genital area. So why not start to eat and drink with these fruits and its juices? Not only these fruits are delicious, but surely help to improve your sexual life to have a healthy and happy relationship. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 9 common bad effects of sugar to your health. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life. Until next time.